Hello everyone, I am Srishti Lokhande and I welcome you to Property Cloud, your premier PropTech partner where all the properties are managed in single cloud. We give you hassle-free experience with our expertise in digital transaction, expert assistance and virtual site visits, and you get all of this under our zero brokerage policy along with our direct connectivity with builders as well as facilities like pickup and drop. We are available pan-India as well as internationally. In India, we have reached out to all the major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore and beyond. Extending to internationally, we are available in UAE, Singapore, USA and Canada. Now let's move on to the virtual site visit of this project, that is Riverdale by Kohinoor Group. The project is located in Kharadi, Pune, just besides Yo Villas. Talking about the project will be constructed on over 5 acres of land parcel consisting 5 towers. Each tower will have ground plus 27 floors. Now let's move on and check out the sample flat. So here we are at 2 BHK sample flat with a carpet of 770 square feet. As we can see, we are going to get a video door phone and noise cancellation strip for your privacy. And moving on into the flat, this is our living dining space. Living space is of approximate 11 by 16 and we get attached open balcony. This is 3-side covered balcony and we are going to have French doors. Now here we come in the kitchen of approximate 8 by 8 with enclosed dry balcony of 8 by 5 again. This is the separate 8 by 6 dining space in L shape with living. And as we move on, this is the kids' room with again huge window for better ventilation and light in the room. The dimension of this room is approximately 11 by 11. As we pass the foyer area, this is our common wash area. Washroom has anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall rectified tiles, CP sanitary fittings and provision for geyser. And last but not the least, here we come in our master bedroom of 11 by 14 with again a huge window for better light and ventilation in the room and a master washroom. Washroom has anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall rectified tiles, CP sanitary fittings and provision for geyser. Let's move on to the next sample flat. So here we are at 3 BHK sample flat of approximate carpet of 1000 square feet. Now we don't have it at the display right now, but we will be getting a video door phone and for extra privacy, noise cancellation strip on every door of your home. Now as we pass and enter, we get our lobby space of 4.11 by 4.1 and this huge beautiful living space of 11 by 17.9. On left hand side, we have our first bedroom of 10 by 13, that is guest bedroom with huge window for better light and ventilation and attached washroom. Washroom has anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall rectified tiles, CP sanitary fittings and provision for geyser. And this is the living space, as I said, 11 by 17.9 with attached balcony of 11 by 5.6. From this balcony, you can enjoy the beautiful space. We have balconies, 3-side covered balcony with glass railings and French doors. As we pass the living space, we get the separate dining space of 6 by 7.8 approximately where you can enjoy your meal. Now let's move on to the kitchen, that is of approximate 9 by 8 with enclosed dry balcony and again a window for good ventilation in kitchen. All the rooms have beautiful huge windows for you to enjoy the scenery and greenery of the project. And now this is the second bedroom, that is kids bedroom of 10 by 10 approximately, again with a big window for good ventilation and smart space for wardrobe and desk. As we pass the foyer area, here we get our common wash area. Washroom has anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall rectified tiles, CP sanitary fittings and provision for geyser. And now I welcome you to my favorite room, that is master bedroom of 10 by 13 approximately, with again a huge window for better light and ventilation, but also for you to enjoy the greenery of the project that you will be getting or the amenities that you will have in the project with attached washroom. Washroom has anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall rectified tiles, CP sanitary fittings and provision for geyser. As mentioned, the project will have two variants, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. So the carpet range for 2 BHK is from 700 to 770 square feet and the carpet range for 3 BHK is from 850 to 1000 square feet. Talking about the amenities that will be provided in this project, yes, you will be getting a huge clubhouse, swimming pool, indoor games, gymnasium, kids play area and many more. Also, you have so many special offers and discounts only with Property Cloud. If you like this project, you can go to Property Cloud, talk to our relationship manager and you can get your pickup and drop service arranged from your home completely brokerage free. So for more such videos, stay tuned with Property Cloud.